Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made mini idlis with kovakkai sambar for today's lunchbox. I made idlis as usual, but instead of using the regular mold, I used the mini idli molds. And idlis turned out to be super cute. Now let's make kovakkai sambar. Heat oil, add in seasoning ingredient along with onion and kovakkai. Add in turmeric powder, saute for 1 minute. Now add in chili powder and coriander powder. Mix well. You could add sambar powder instead of those spices. Add in tamarind, water, salt. Bring everything to a boil. Cover and cook till the kovakkai is done. Add mashed tur dal and bring everything to a boil. Boil for 5 minutes. Add in coriander leaves and your kovakkai sambar is done. Now let's pack the lunchbox. I added some idlis, sambar, and for snacks box it is nuts bar. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow and don't forget to mention what you packed in your kids lunchbox today.